Okay, today we're going to take a look at a ComfyUI workflow that uses Tile ControlNet and Stable Diffusion XL along with some Lava LLMs to dynamically improve historical images. So to start, we're going to load up our files from the folder. We are also going to use a primitive to dynamically increment which image we're selecting from that folder. We will resize the image so that it's not too big or not too small. And then we will begin the LLM Lava process to actually generate the prompt. So here we're telling the LLM, you're an expert art historian, generate a stable diffusion prompt that will improve this given image, also include its subject, but make sure to not generate a prompt that'll change the image too much. So that ends up generating an output, which we feed into our clip text encoder to be the prompt for our generation later on. So after we load up our model and get our image properly encoded for tiling, we need to go set up all of our control nets correctly, make sure we set our negative prompt, make sure we've correctly set up the, passed in the dynamic positive prompt, and then we simply generate using this K-sampler here. Once that outputs, we save it, and we pass it into a RG3 compare tool so we can take a look at the before and after results dynamically. And finally, we generate a grid so that we can save side by side the original image and the generated image. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.